Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with both email numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through this, code, which is *##225#*##. And here we've got the calendar information, so we can check all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your calendar sheet also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Now let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *##426###. And there we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the last being heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Simply tap on the option, and here you've got more info about the device. So for example, the email number again, phone number, current network, data service. So of course you will be able to check the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. You can run ping test right here. And tapping on the three dots icon, you can also view SIM address book or enable data connection. Let's go back, usage statistics, and we do not have the list here, whatever, and Wi-Fi information, so you can check the API configuration or the status. So simply tap on it, tap on refresh the stats, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the network state, SSID, or network ID, you can also run ping test here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.